This is a kind of sequel to the other poison launcher I published. I had some wasps on the attic room, and it seems they came from under the gutter, so that is high. And I therefore took a long PVC tubing for electrical wiring, the same poison, some adapter and some paper that could be used as a funnel. I first placed some foam inside the adapter because the poison will be on top of it, and the tube will be used vertically, and you must ensure that it will only be at the top and not below in your mouth. So this is the way I put the poison powder in it, and this is the final result. The powder on top of the foam, and on the bottom I made a right angle that could be blown into. So this is the issue. It is a bit difficult because the tubing is a bit sweeping, and when you have it in position, and please wait till it is a bit dark, but I'm not sure if it will harm you if you don't, and then you blow into it. That's it, and then you can remove the adapter again, and you can clean it, take a new piece foam in it, because the other foam is likely away, and this is the result. No wasps anymore at the attic room.